Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to Mannys Tuning. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of the Turbo Honda Prelude. We are a little disappointed, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm honestly more disappointed in myself, but here we go. We're gonna just start this off. So I got wham. Oh no. Well, check it out. So we were talking about it last episode. We were looking at the turbo that took a doo-doo, and well, I seen a turbo online for $180 for the same thing, damn near, as what I have. So let's see real quick. Take the sucker out. I have no idea what to expect with this turbo. Excuse the mess. But yeah, this is what we're dealing with. It's a box, no other contents inside, and yeah, I guess let's cut this sucker open and see what to expect, man. All right, whoops. Put that to the side. So first things first, it does come with a gasket. I'm definitely going to order a good one. And it comes with the oil feed gaskets as well as some instructions. Let's see what they integrated into here. I really need to get one of those mounts. So, turbo installation instructions. It says replace the engine oil. Actually, this is quite a decent instruction little pamphlet that they gave. So replace the air filter or oil filter. So I'm guessing they're including these because somebody blew their turbo, or replacing what they need. Clean the oil supply, the oil outlet pipes, and verify that there's no damage. Check the intake and exhaust pipes for obstructions and interference. Measure the screws and clamp. Make sure the screws and clamps are tight. There is no air leaks. When installing the oil inlet and outlet holes, do not use sealant, only use gaskets. Well, that's cool. All right, bye. Cool beans. So let's look at this. I ordered a $180 turbo off of eBay, and I got a wonton spoolie boy. So this is what the Wu-Tang makers are making. Kablam. There's some plugs on it. We're going to see what is going on, and we are going to compare the old turbo versus the new. Maybe not in this episode entirely, but we are just going to look at this with the unboxing and just look at what we have. All right, uno momento por favor. One moment, please. I'll put it down for a second. Put this to the side, and now we can see the turbo. All right, so now that we're looking at it, we can see that I mean, it feels smooth. Doesn't spin like the other turbo. This is not a ball bearing turbo. This is a journal bearing. So this is, I guess, the type of turbo that I purchased. It is a 62 T3 3V65. So 62 inlet, it's a T3 exhaust for the manifold, and it's going to be a 3-inch V-band and a 65 mil AR, I believe, or 63 AR, 62 AR, one or the other. But it's not a small turbo, to be honest with you. It's fairly big, and it almost looks identical to the comp turbo that I have right here, which is a 6262 triple ball bearing that is no longer going to be doing any more work. So it seems like it spins pretty freely. There doesn't seem like there's any nicks on it. Maybe some light scoring, but that's okay. all in all, we are essentially going to see what this thing can do. Yeah, like I said, I'm a little disappointed in myself because, you know, I usually don't buy cheaper things, and I want to ensure that I have good quality parts and whatnot in this car. But I want to race, and I want to get this car back on the track. So here we are. I want to make sure that I'm able to do that, and this is essentially what I need to do to be back on the track. So yeah, this is going to be back in the vehicle here pretty soon. I'll be making a video on the installation on it, and actually, before I even install it, I'm gonna take it apart and we're gonna just see what's inside of it. Cool. But all right, guys, well, yeah, I just wanted to, I guess, show you guys what this thing was. So it also says right here, turbocharger model TX66, and that's the serial number right there. Yep. Ooh, there's a little bit of nasty stuff in there, so I'm gonna end up cleaning that up in there. So yeah, definitely gonna pull this apart. I don't need these little shards causing me another $180. So cool beans. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.